After 1 year ngayon ang uli nakasama.
After 19 years, pangalawang taon mo to, Philippine Airline.
Wala na kasi
To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle, pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seat and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist, push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the 2 inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. When this happens, grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth, pull elastic band for a snug fit, and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're instructed to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
One eternity later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Mga binibini, ginang at ginoong, sa loob ng ilang minuto, tayo ay lalapag na. Panatilihing nakakapit ang inyong seatbelt. Salamat po.
A few moments later.
Meron bagong nakilala si Mama. Welcome to Manila. Ayan po, mga kaibigan.
For 17 years. Oh, 19, 20.
20 years.
20 years, ngayon ka lang bumati.
Oo nga.
Ngayon na nag-vlog.
Okay, salamat. Have a nice day. Salamat po marami sa inyo lahat. At yun na nga, no? At kung bago po kayo sa ating channel, ay huwag pong kalimutang i-like, i-subscribe, i-share, at click ang notification bell para lagi kayong update sa mga bago po namin mga video. Maraming salamat po. Tuloy sa inyo.